if your garment is still looking tacky and homemade, here's how to fix it. Your hemline may not be doing justice to your garment. Now I'm going to show you a very quick method that you can use to have a very professional hemline finish. Okay, now you are going to take your hemline like this, and then you're going to fold it nicely, folding your seam allowance nicely like so, and then you're going to fold it again. Now I used about 4 cm seam allowance here, so you can see the seam allowance is quite big, and then I fold it backwards about 1.5 cm seam allowance. Now the idea is for us to hand stitch this and finish it nicely so that our hemline or our threads, our stitches will not be showing on the right side of the fabric. So this method we are going to use for finishing this hemline is called the herringbone finish or the herringbone method. Okay, now you're just going to take your sewing needle, and then you're going to pinch this one, the folded hemline. You're going to pinch it like this. Start from one edge of your dress or skirt or whatever you want to finish. Pinch these two like this, and then you pinch it like that. Okay, now you come this way, you're just going to pinch this part like so. Take note, I only pinched on this one, and then you're going to pinch these two. You pinch this part, and then you pinch it with the garment. So you can see it's going on a zigzag direction. And then you pinch it again like this. Pinch this part, pinch it like so. Pinch a little bit here. Okay. And then you go again, you pinch these other parts. And then you pinch these parts like so. And you pinch this other part nicely like this. So you can see it's going in a zigzag direction. So you notice that I'm using a contrasting thread for this. The reason why I'm using a contrasting thread is because I want you to see it very well. So please, when you are making yours, use a matching thread. In fact, when you use a matching thread, you're going to see that the stitches will not show at all. So you can use see. Now when you flip it to this side, you see your stitches are all hidden. Now you're going to go ahead and give it a very good press. Now when you flip it to the right side, now you see that no stitches are showing at all. This is really professional finish. Now this takes a bit of time, but trust me, it's worth all the stress because it's going to give you a professional high-end finishing. Now tell me in the comment section, would you want to try this? Do you hand stitch or do you machine stitch every hems that you are making? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so you're going to just continue this from one end all the way to the other end. You see, great finishing techniques like this are what we teach in my online school. Now, if you're interested, please comment join, and then I will send you the link to join our online school. All right? Now, check out the finished look. Can you see how professionally done it is? Now, you're not just learning how to sew a fitted dress, because of course, everyone can, but you're learning how to do correct finishing. See the neckline, the sleeve, and can you believe there's an invisible zipper on the stretch dress? Yes, there is. So you're going to learn techniques that you will use over and over again, even in other projects. Interested? Please hit the link in the description box below.